everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about poaching eggs. And when we poach eggs, the idea is to put an egg inside of water. So it's very important to be able to control the water's temperature. You need the temperature to be between 160 and 180. Anything over that number is going to start to overcoagulate the proteins way too early. And 160 is when proteins begin coagulation. So anything between 160 and 180 is exactly where we want our water temperature to be before we poach. Alright, so I'm going to show you over here how to start our poach. You get a nice pot of water and get it to 160, 180. Put a touch of vinegar, a touch of salt in there, and then you want to get a nice little vortex going with your water. And then get your egg, crack it real close to the water, and drop it in. And then from there, we're going to let it cook. You can let it cook for about an easy egg. You want to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Medium, anywhere from 6 to 8, and hard, 11 minutes or plus. But all that is determined by the size of the egg. It's a double A, single A, extra small. Those will all change the times. So over here, I'm going to show you how to know the differences in the easy, medium, and hard. So we're going to start with the easy egg, and when I cut into the easy egg, you're going to notice that all the egg yolk comes right out. And there's very little egg yolk cooked around this inside, but all the egg white is cooked. Okay, so we're going to go to the eggs that were medium now. So when I cut into this one, you can start to see that it's a little soft on the inside. It's still a little bit gooey, but it's starting to firm up all the way, but we're almost there. And this is eggs over hard. This is a pretty easy one to do. You take the eggs and you cook it all the way with just a very, very small amount of under egg done right in the center. All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us today, and please check out our other videos.